Hey, welcome to YouTube, everybody. Thank you for checking in on this video. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and give a like. Let's go have some fun vlogging along, bike riding. There are many shots to be taken with the Osmo Action camera with the latest firmware 1.10 that was created in December of 2021. My channel is a how-to channel, and my videos are underneath entertainment. Many people don't get that, and that's why they don't get me. If you're a new viewer, like this lady, or you own your YouTube channel, you'll find something creative to do. Get a story going, because that's what you need to do, or else you're gonna miss the bus. Grass grows everywhere. Everywhere that you can imagine. I don't need to be on YouTube. I could just pull onto a park bench and watch YouTube here. You get to see everything. And that's a good thing. And the good thing about it is, that's what the city's about. You'll see everything, but you don't get it. I could sit here all day trying to figure out the best shot to do. The picture, the video, does not matter. Well, there you go. You got a nice story if you know how to follow along with me. But many people on YouTube, many people, I'm talking about millions of people. And what more can I say? Just enjoy what you like to do. Share it to the world. Doesn't matter what the other people see. Your video's up there. Over a lifetime, it'll get out there. If it's just one viewer or yourself a viewer. Because many people on this channel are not true viewers. And what do I mean about that? Stay tuned. Down the road, I'll continue this video and other videos and explaining in the future. But will you come back to listen? That's all up to you. Don't forget to rate, comment if you ever get a notification bell. And if you're a follower, you know to come back time to time to see videos. So on that note, I thank you for your time. My journey continues forward, heading on back. You'll never get it. Oh man. You know, you just gotta be very careful no matter what you do in this world, because you don't know how people cross. They just zippity-do, zippity-da. For mayor. For mayor. You want to run for mayor? No, thank you. I'm done. I had my day's fun. I went exercising, more than you can do sitting there watching a video. Get out there and try it yourself and see how fun it is. And maybe you get a single view. So if you want more views, you want to see me do more stuff, you know that saying. I don't care how it's said, because like I said at the beginning, how-to entertainment channel. Time to wrap this bad boy up and get some things done. It's illegal to take a net. Oh yes indeed, definitely illegal to do. And go blue crawl crabbing. But they get away with it. They get away with it. Happy trails to you till we meet again. Happy trails to you. Oh yeah. Please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. And thank you for joining me along on this vlogging day. I hope you made some sense out of my entertainment video. And I'll catch you on another one to come. Have a great day, everybody.